Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be doing ST blends. So please put your name at the top first of all so your teacher knows who your paper belongs to. And then in the first set of boxes, we're going to be coloring all of the words that start with an S and a T. So you might see other words on there, but we're only doing ST words. So I want you to look at each word and decide if it is an ST blend. And these are all going to be at the beginning of the word. So we're just finding all of these ST words. Good. Next, we are going to practice writing all of these words on the lines. So let's start with stamp, stool, stick, star, stop, stub, storm, and story. Good. Now we're going to look at the bottom and find the words that fit the shapes of the box. So the first word is stop. Stop looks like it can go right here. S-T-O-P. The next word is stick. And stick looks like it could go here. Stub. Storm, because O-R says or. And the last one is stamp. All right, good job, boys and girls. Make sure your name is at the top. Turn it into the basket and work on Lexia.